Make sure you post something in the comments below if you want to ride this sucker. And we know you want to ride, so you better post some comments. All right, guys, here we go. We're at the top. Get ready for it. Oh, awesome view of the park from here. Here we go. Oh man, ride is almost 20 years old and it still kicks all sorts of ass. What a great ride. See you later. All right, guys. Here we are on Superman Ride of Steel up at Six Flags America, and this is one of the very first Intamin hypercoasters, and it's still awesome. It is going to be 20 years old next year. We were here opening day, and it makes me feel old, but in a good way. All right, guys, we're climbing. I want to say this lift hill is at least 200 feet. I'm sure you guys can post in the comments and let us know how tall the lift hill is. It's like 200, 205 feet, somewhere around there. It's tall, and it's awesome. Look, you get a good view of the park from both sides. All right, here we go. We're cresting the top. Get ready. Hands up, everybody. Let's do it. Here we go. And that is Superman Ride of Steel at Six Flags America. One of the first hypercoasters and still one of the best. How was that, guys?
Awesome.
Woo. All right, get out here and ride it. Make sure you post in the comments below if you want to ride Superman, and we know you do. See you later, everyone.